Hello. Today I'm going to teach you how to do pressure flips. Now, I learned this trick back in maybe 91 or 92 when it was a cool trick, and then it went on the uncool radar for many years. What I've noticed nowadays is, anything goes, but a lot of kids still don't have the pressure flip. It always takes me back to the H Street Next Generation video or the Plan B video, which were great times in my youth and worth checking out for anybody out there. So two tricks you're going to want to learn how to do first, or know how to do before the pressure flip, are the shove it and the pop shove. So if you don't have those down, I suggest learning those, and if anybody out there needs help learning those, write me a comment and I'll make another video. Okay, so for your foot position for the pressure flip, I usually keep my front foot somewhere up here, kind of like doing a kick flip, but it's not going to kick flip. And your back foot, which is the most important part of the trick, is going to be in the corner back pocket. You kind of want to make sure you can get this motion going. And then what I would suggest is just kind of pushing down and jumping straight up. Try to get that motion of it. Okay, so as long as your foot is in that corner pocket, something like this, and ready to push down, and your front foot gets out of the way and you jump straight up, and that's the basic trick. Thanks for watching my video. I hope it's helped you learn pressure flips. If you have any comments or feedback, please leave them in the comments. If there's one thing to take away from all of this, it's just to get out there and practice, whether it's in your driveway, the skate park, or out in the streets. Just get out there and go skate.